Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will share with you how to pamper yourself with a salon-style mani-dip at home. We want to help women keep their nails clean and nice during this period. Before anything else, the first thing you need to do is get organized. Find a comfortable spot with good lighting and lay everything out you'll need in front of you. Take your time to enjoy this self-care moment and don't rush. Remove any old manicure using your favorite nail polish remover. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's still worth repeating. Make sure every single bit is removed. Use a wooden stick to gently push back cuticles. Use a cuticle nipper if you have any excess cuticles, but be careful not to get too close to the living tissue. The next step is filing your nails. Make sure you file in one direction only. It's time to choose the shape you want. You could go round, square, almond, coffin. It's really up to you. When you're done, lightly buff your nails to give them a matte look. This will make the manicure stick to your nails much better. Next, take a lint-free wipe saturated in some alcohol and rub down your nails. If you have the Essentials PRO Kit on hand, use the primer on your nails instead of alcohol. Now you're ready to proceed. Choose your favorite glam powder color and shake it well before opening the jar. Here we decided to use Tiara. It has a beautiful dusty rose color combined with sparkly glitter pieces. Apply Rossi Babe Coat to 3/4 of the nail and immediately dip into the jar. Clean the surface with a fluffy brush after dipping to remove excess powder. Apply another layer of Rossi Babe Coat, this time a hairline away from the cuticle, and dip into the powder one nail at a time. If you accidentally apply the base coat to your skin, use a toothpick or orange stick along the cuticle for a clean line after dipping into the powder. Do that before the product dries completely. Once you finish dipping and brushing off the excess powder, it's time to apply one coat of activator. Let it air dry 1 to 2 minutes so it cures the powder. Now proceed to shape and buff the nails. Once you're done, wipe away any dust and apply the first layer of top coat using quick strokes. Wipe the brush on a lint-free pad before putting it back into the bottle after each finger. This will help you avoid contamination of your top coat, but also prevents your top coat from hardening. Allow the first layer to dry for about 2 to 3 minutes before applying the second coat. Finally, apply a generous amount of cuticle oil and you're done. With the constant hand washing and sanitizing, be sure to continue applying the cuticle oil over the days to come to keep your cuticles moisturized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe.